In this video, I'll show you the materials needed to sew a mouse and guide you step by step to make this adorable toy. In the end, we'll have a lovely little mouse. Hi, I'm Anna, a toy pattern designer since 2008. I create unique sewing patterns for dolls and toys made from natural fabrics like cotton, linen, mohair, and wool felt. Welcome to the Mouse Sew Along. We are going to make a mouse with 4 outfits: ballerina, superhero, chef, and kigurumi. This is the first video in the series. Today we'll sew a mouse doll. We will need to create a mouse: a printed pattern, a 45 by 25 centimeters piece of fabric, we use cotton, about 30 grams of polyfiber, sewing and embroidery thread, chopsticks for stuffing, needles and pins, scissors, pen, water-soluble fabric marker, or acrylic paint for the nose, optional iron and sewing machine. You can also sew by hand if you prefer. Let's make our adorable mouse. Trace the details on the back side of the fabric. Cut out all the pieces. Start sewing. Take the details of the head, hands, legs, and ears, fold the pieces right sides in and stitch together. Leave an unstitched area for turning and stuffing. Finish the seam allowance with zigzag scissors. Turn out. Sew the unstitched area to the ears with a ladder stitch. Form the ear with a few stitches. Fold the tail in half. Sew a top stitch along the edge. Let's sew the body. Insert the tail into the slit on the body back detail. Make a seam. Sew the dart on the body front detail. Place the legs between 2 body details. Sew. Turn the body. Form the nose with a few stitches in a circle. Stuff the head and body completely. Add a tiny heart if you like. Stuff a third of the hand and leg details. Sew the unstitched area to the legs. Sew the body and head together in ladder stitch. Sew on the hands and ears. Color in the nose with fabric marker. Embroider the eyes and smile. to personalize your toy, embroider a symbol or word. Add a few stitches to the belly and knees. Congratulations! Your mouse is finished. Thank you for watching the video until the very end. My patterns are available in the shop linked in my bio. Use the coupon code WELCOME for 25% off your first purchase. Subscribe to stay tuned for the next part of our sew-along. In the upcoming videos, I'll show you how to make 4 outfits for our mouse: ballerina, superhero, chef, and kigurumi. See you in the next videos!